Okay, hello once again, y'all. So today we're gonna continue with the notes of the postulate of angle addition. I know I just made that sound so complicated, but we're gonna move on. So first of all, we need to highlight our biggest angle, which is the three outer points G, H, and I. And then next, with that same beautiful highlight in your hand, highlight that angle in the question. Okay, GHI. I don't see an angle measurement. So if I don't see an angle measurement, that means I need to find it. So if I need to find the biggest angle, I need to add my two smaller angles, which is like if you need to bake a cake, you're going to need to add that butter, the milk, and the eggs. Because what cake does not have eggs and what cake does not have milk? Okay? Okay. So excuse the raspy voice. I'm doing this at 4 o'clock in the morning. So, yeah, excuse the raspicity of the voice. So, back to math. You have GHW, which is 140 degrees. I'm going to change my color pen because, yeah. And then we have WHI. We're going to change highlighters too. I'm just feeling it in the spirit. Wee! So, WHI is 28 degrees. So, that means... to find GHI, I need to add 140 plus 28, which is going to give me 168 degrees, which we already know that is an obtuse angle. Okay? 140 plus 28 will give you 168 degrees. You can do the math if you want to. But that's your answer. So GHI is 168 degrees, which is an obtuse angle. Okay? So we're going to go on to number 2. WVU or UVW. So I need to find out where I see WVU or UVW. Right there. So I know my biggest angle is given to me, which is 177 degrees. Oh, excuse me. So if I already have my big angle, that means I need to subtract. Okay? I need to subtract because I already have my big angle. So, let's see. WVN is 22 degrees. And UVN is the question mark. We don't know what it is. So we're going to take 177 and we're going to subtract it from 22 because we need to figure out what number plus 22 will give me 177. And the answer is 155 degrees. And we already know that's an obtuse. Thank you. Make sure you put your degrees. Okay? Moving forward. ABC. ABC is right here at 150 degrees. So ABC is already given to us, which is 150 degrees. So that means we need to subtract. I need to figure out what other number, when added to 64, will give me 150 degrees. So ABI, which is right here, that is 64 degrees. I need to figure out what is IBC. So to do that, you're going to take 150 and you're going to take 64 and you're going to subtract it from 150, which will give you 86 degrees. Now, we already know that's an acute angle, so two acute angles will give you 150 degrees. Do that make sense? I hope so. If not, we'll discuss more in class. Okay? So, let's see. We have BCD. I see BCD right there. Okay, that means I need to find it. So if I have to find it, that means I have to add the two angles, the two smaller angles. Okay, so BCU is 110 degrees. So 110 degrees. And UCB, oh, they changed colors. Look at that. Okay. Look at that. Oh, back to the work. So UCD, which is 24 degrees. So to find BCD, we're going to take 110 plus 24 degrees, which is going to give us 134 degrees, which we already know is an obtuse angle. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Voila, magic. Okay, carrying on. Pause the video anytime in case you need to absorb this information. So L, K, and J. I need to look for LKJ or JKL. JKL right there. Okay, so JKL is 119 degrees. That means my biggest angle, or the big angle, is 119 degrees. So because I know that, I know I need to subtract. I'm not going to overwork myself trying to figure out which is which. I already know. If I have my big angle and I need to find a small angle, I need to subtract. So, let's see. We got JKH, which is 24 degrees. I need to figure out what is this degree. So, you're going to take your 119 and you're going to subtract it from 24. Which is going to give you 95. So, is that a right angle? No. It's an obtuse angle. Nice try, though. But it's not. If it was 90, yeah, it'd be a right angle. But it's not. It's 95. So, that makes it obtuse in the caboose. And we moving on. Choo, choo. It's wild how much energy I have at 4 o'clock in the morning. Okay, ABC, abaca. ABC or CBA is right. Oop, wrong thing. Jesus. ABC. So ABC is the big angle. So that means I need to add my two angles together. So, IBC, which is 140 degrees, and ABI. Oh, wrong way. ABI, which is 38 degrees, right? So that means I need to add these two angles together because my big angle is not given. They gave me two small angles. That means I need to add those two small angles. So you're going to have 140 plus 38, which is going to be 178 degrees. Obtuse. If it was 180, then it'll be a straight angle. Okay, so if it was 100, if your answer was 180, you'll be a straight angle. So don't get deceived by the look of the line, because in math, sometimes of geometry problems can be deceiving. But that's the beauty of a teacher. We can help decrypt those deceptions. So yes, that's how you solve the classwork. Absorb this knowledge. Now we about to do ones with equations. Yes, equations. So get ready.